the compact and powerful magnetic core drilling machine from BDS Maschinen. Presenting the all-new MA Basic 450 magnetic core drilling machine from the Profi Basic economical category. Weighing just 13 kilograms, the MA Basic 450 machine has fast and flexible tool change thanks to the NT2 Morse tapper. MA Basic 450 performs up to 40mm diameter core drilling and up to 55mm cutting depth capacity, delivering perfectly finished holes. With Morse Tapper 2 drill up to 18mm diameter with twist drill bits. Simply better drilling. Equipped 1150 watt powerful motor, safe arrangement of switches, powerful 2-speed gearbox, robust dovetail slide system, permanent internal lubrication, new integrated cooling tank, 160mm working stroke, 19mm well-done industrial arbor. The MA Basic 450 robust and powerful magnetic core drilling machine, made in Germany by BDS Machines.